Reverend Walters, how many people live in your parish?
Well, the parish of Ystradfellte includes, of course, the village of Pontney Thorn, and the number of people living in the whole parish amounts officially to 616.
Were people in favour of electricity here before?
Well, I think possibly it's fair to say that it was lukewarm. It was not 100%.
How old are you, Di?
66, next September.
And what sort of job?
Sorry. 70, I'll be 79.
79?
79 next September.
79?
Yes.
And what sort of jobs do you do here?
Well, gardening and hedging
Yes?
and...
Do you light the lamps?
huh?
Do you light
Yes,
the lamps?
yes, the lamp this last 20 years.
You're not going to be doing that much longer, are you?
No, no.
What do you think about this new electricity thing?
Well, I see it wonderful myself. For a country place, it's put in well.
What sort of gadgets are you going to have when the electricity gets here, when you've got it all plugged in?
Well, I couldn't say much about that, you see, because we're both getting on in years, and it don't suit us at all. You see, my sister, Mrs. Matthews, she'll be 86 now on the 21st of this month, and then she don't want much gadgets, you see.
Mr. Thomas, as the publican here, what difference is electricity going to make to your life?
Oh, it's made a wonderful difference to us. We've got all different electricity lights in the parts of the pub now, and well, it's far different to having colour gas and paraffin lamps, you know.
What do you think about this new electricity?
It's all right.
What are you going to do with it?
Oh, use it, of course.
And what are you going to have in your house?
Oh, I don't know. What will I'll have?
Are you going to have a radio set or a television set?
No.
Why not?
Must have a lot of money to have them things.
Do you think it's going to be very expensive, Mrs. Davis?
Oh, yes, too expensive for us. We are only old age pension, you see. Now, we mustn't think of things like that now.
But it's wonderful, isn't it? How long have you lived here without it?
Well, 10 years now we have lived here, you see.
But aren't you going to have some electrical gadgets now, an iron or...
Oh,
something?
I got an iron and a kettle. I think them are wonderful.
Wouldn't you like to cook with electricity?
No, because I got the beautiful oven and I've been used to it.
What difference will electricity make to your life?
Well, marvellous, I say, anyway. Been used to it years ago, before coming here. Yes.
What sort of gadgets are you going to have?
Well, I don't know. Television, I think. I hope, anyway. That's marvellous.